Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and maybe you've noticed your PC's performance has been a little different. Some have, and some have noticed that something is different since the Patch Tuesday updates of December. It is a service that Microsoft is now going to put automatic startup that is known to affect performance in Windows. So if you're on 24H2, 25H2 on Windows 11, what's happening is that Microsoft announced that the Windows Update will now have Microsoft Store app updates. So there used to be updates through the Microsoft Store. This is where it all happened. And Microsoft decided that, well, maybe these apps should be actually updated through Windows Update rather than the Microsoft Store. Would be kind of better to do it that way. And that's coming. And one of the things that, or the changes they had to do for that coming, is that the Appx deployment service, Appxsvc here, is now automatic. It's triggered at start. So, which means that now, when you are booting up Windows, it's running. It's always running. Where before the updates, this was a manual thing. It was only running when you'd go to the Windows or the Microsoft Store for apps and app updates. So Microsoft does say in the blog post that there's that change is there. And, well, it might impact some users. But the good thing about it is that in the services, you can still go. And if you do want to turn it off, you'll be able to just go here and see by yourself that you can stop it. And you can even maybe stop it from running, actually. So, yeah, automatic is now the new change of a service that was a manual, and it might impact your Windows experience. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.